here we are in a beautiful Roanoke, Texas morning, indoors, handling several cars out of a large collection. This is an extremely nice, documented 1969 Chevrolet Camaro 427 COPO. Anyway, we're going to walk around and tell you about it. We've spent some time going over the numbers. We've taken pictures of the suffix pad and the intake manifold and all that kind of stuff for you. We'll get it up on a lift here at the end of the video and cover the undercarriage for you. Very nice. This car was documented in the 1990 book called American Muscle. It goes through basically this, a lot of the American muscle cars during the era. Beautiful finish, obviously sitting on a high level restoration. Goodyear polyglass tires on it, dog dish hubcaps. You can see the finish here in the building is very nice. We'll kind of just cruise around and let you take this one in, and make sure you go to Spud's Garage where I'll have a lot of photos and we'll go into more detail on the car. Painted bumper on the front. Underneath the hood, very authentic restoration. And again, we'll go over the numbers for you. Kind of giving you a view as we go around here. We took photos of the windows up, and we'll have those posted at Spud's Garage so you kind of get a feel. Door jamb to door jamb. Very nice. Correct, sparsely equipped. Hurst 4-speed shifter, Muncie 4-speed. Everything's tidy and in order from what I can tell. We get in the trunk with you and show the upper quarters, that type of thing. Again, hanging on to the video here. Stay with me on the video. Got a lot of video of it running. You saw the door shut just there. Very nice. Look nice and quiet in here. What a beautiful car. You like attention and you seek only the best in investment grade cars, this one will probably do the trick for you. Not a lot to talk about, we'll just let you take it in. Literally haven't found a mark on it. Door buzzer even works. Gets in the back seat here. Very special car. Take the book off of here and show you the cover, because we're gonna American Muscle, Randy Leffingwell. Reverse lockout, everything works on it. We're going to take it out and stretch its legs a little bit here today, put 5-10 miles on it. Odometer time of inspection is 44,443. The rest is all just idiot lights. No radio, radio delete. How they were equipped. First shifter. Alright, we'll get you underneath the hood of this COPO. Very nice factory style presentation. We've covered all the, took photos of the suffix pad for you, the back, the winner's intake manifold, part number. We're We're going to get it up on a lift here for you, share the undercarriage, and provide any numbers that we can. 427 underneath the hood here. I believe the suffix code is MN. High level restoration preservation. Trying to get everything covered for you. We'll fire it up here for you. Oh, bottom side of the hood. Don't know if I already did that, but we're doing it again. Right, quick little video with the air filter assembly off. Kind of give you a feel. We have moved the alternator back and took a good photo of the suffix pad. Also winter's intake here, and you'll probably be able to see the intake part number. VIN number. Data tag. Alright, we'll get you in the trunk of the COPO here. Obviously a high level restoration. Nice crisp lines back in the quarters. You can see the restoration level. Craig Zolatone floors. Spare F7014. Same thing over in this corner. In the corner there. Alright, we got the 69 COPO up on the lift here. Be just like you expected, a very nicely done restoration preservation. Factory markings. Just looking for the stamp. They did that there. Take you back through. Stone cold.